Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have t raised to power 2t raised to power 8 is equal to 4, and here we have to solve for the value of t. So t is the unknown, we have to solve for. Now to solve this, solution, so we have t raised to power 2t raised to power 8 is equal to 4. So in this case, we are going to say let this t raised to power 8 right here, let's equate it to x. So we say let t raised to power 8 equal to x, such that this equation then becomes, we have t raised to power 2, then t raised to power 8 is equal to x, so we have x is equal to 4. Now, from this equation, let us then solve for the value of t. So we have t raised to power 8 is equal to x. To then solve for the value of t, we need to eliminate power 8 from here. And to do so, simply multiply this equation with power 1 over 8. So this then becomes, in bracket, t raised to power 8 multiplied by power 1 over 8 is equal to x raised to power 1 over 8. Shows that from here, and t raised to power 1 is t, which equals x raised to power 1 over 8. So in this case right here, in place of t, right, we'll bring in x raised to power 1 over 8. Now, we are going to input this value of t into this equation, this one right here. So we got the value of t to equal x raised to power 1 over 8. Then we have raised to power 2x, all is equal to 4. Okay, by inputting the value of t as x raised to power 1 over 8 into this equation. So we have this. So from here, applying this rule of indices, that if you have in brackets a raised to power b all raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. Applying this rule right here, what will happen is this, that power 1 over 8 will multiply 2x, shows that what we have is x raised to power 1 times 2x is 2x over, we have 8 is equal to 4. So from here, 2, we divide 8, we have 4. So we have x raised to power x over 4 is equal to 4. At this junction, we need to solve for the value of x. Now, how do we solve for the value of x? We can multiply both sides with power 4. So this becomes, in brackets, x raised to power x over 4, then multiplied by power 4 is equal to 4 raised to power 4. Such that, applying this rule of indices, that if you have in brackets a raised to power b all raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. Applying this rule right here, what we then have is this, that x, then power x over 4 multiply 4. 4 times x is 4x over 4, which equals 4 raised to power 4. So from here, 4 we divide 4, we have x raised to power x is equal to 4 raised to power 4. Now, at this junction, we can simply apply this principle of indices, that if you have a raised to power a equals b raised to power b, simply a is equal to b. Applying this rule right here, simply x is equal to 4. So with this, we have gotten the value of x. But the goal is to solve for the value of t. Now, how do we solve for the value of t? So recall that from here, we said let t raised to power 8 equals to x. So we said let t raised to power 8 equal x. And we got the value of x to equal 4. So in putting the value of x as 4 into this equation, what we have is this, t raised to power 8 is then equal to x is 4. Now, to then solve for the value of t, we need to eliminate power 8 from here. We can simply multiply the equation with power 1 over 8. This becomes, in brackets, t raised to power 8 multiplied by power 1 over 8 is equal to 4 raised to power 1 over 8. So with this, we have t raised to power 8 to multiply 1 over 8. 8 times 1 is 8 over 8 is equal to 4 raised to power 1 over 8. So with this, power 8, cancel power 8, we have t, which equals 4 raised to power 1 over 8. So with this, we have gotten the value of t. Also, we can still simplify this value of t further by applying this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power 1 over n, this equals the nth root of a raised to power 1. So applying this rule right here, the value of t can be written as t is equal to the 8th root of 4 raised to power 1, which is still t is equal to the 8th root of 4 raised to power 1 is 4. So either of these is still the same thing. Okay, now I've gotten the value of t to equal 4 raised to power 1 over 8, or this. Now let us verify if this solution of t is the correct solution. So let us check right here. Let's check. The value of t that we got, t is equal to 4 raised to power 1 over 8. And the question is, we have t raised to power 2t raised to power 8 equals to 4. So that is the question. So right here, the question, which is t raised to power 2t raised to power 8 is equal to 4. Now, if we input the value of t into this equation and they equal each other, that means that the value of t is the correct solution. So let us check that out. T is 4 raised to power 1 over 8. This becomes, in brackets, 4 raised to power 1 over 8. Then all raised to power 2 multiplied by t, which is 4 raised to power 1 over 8. Then power of 8. With this equal 4 question mark. So with this, we have in brackets 4 raised to power 1 over 8, then multiplied by power 2. Okay, from here, power 1 over 8 will multiply 8. 1 times 8 is 8 over 8. So we have 4 raised to power 8 over 8. With this equal 4 question mark. From here, what we have is this, that we have in brackets 4 raised to power 1 over 8, all raised to power 2, multiplied by 8, we cancel 8, we have 4, with this equal 4 question mark. So with this, we have in brackets 4 raised to power 1 over 8, all raised to power 2 times 4 is 8, which equal 4, with this equal question mark. Also, 1 over 8 will multiply 8, shows that what we have is in bracket 4 raised to power 1 times 8 is 8 over 8, with this equal 4 question mark. From here, 8 to divide 8, what we have is 4, which equal 4. Now, since they're equal to each other, this means that the value of t that we got as 4 raised to power 1 over 8 is the correct solution. Okay, with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.